Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Roushanak Rahmat, and today I'm excited to teach you about a powerful tool called Simple ML for Sheets. This amazing tool lets you leverage the power of machine learning without needing any coding experience. In this video, I'll explore what Simple ML for Sheets can do, how it works, and the different tasks it can handle for your spreadsheets. By the end of this video, you'll be able to unlock valuable insights from your data using machine learning in the familiar environments of Google Sheets. So, what exactly is Simple ML for Sheets? It's a free and awesome add-on for Google Sheets that unlocks the power of machine learning. All brought to you by the talented minds of Google's TensorFlow Decision Forest team. It analyzes your data, revealing hidden patterns that you might not notice. This allows you to make data-driven decisions and get more out of your spreadsheets. In the next part of the video, I'll do a live demo and show you how Simple ML for Sheets puts its magic to work. Okay, first, to use Simple ML for Sheets, you'll need to install it as an add-on in Google Sheets. There are two ways to find it. You can either go to the Google Sheets extensions and get add-on directly, or you can access it from Google Workspace Marketplace and just search for Simple ML for Sheets and install it. Once you got it installed, just open your Google Sheet with the data you want to analyze. In this case, I'm using a data set from Kaggle called Water Quality Data. You can find this data set by searching for water quality data on Kaggle. After the data is downloaded and uploaded to the Google Sheet, look at the top menu in Google Sheets, click on Extensions, and then start for Simple ML for Sheets to be able to use it. Simple ML for Sheets might take a few minutes to install and activate. Once it's ready, you'll see a new sidebar appear in your Google Sheet. This sidebar allows you to choose different tasks for Simple ML to perform on your data. Here, we see functionalities like predicting missing values, spotting anomalies, and even forecasting future values. While the basic functionalities are user-friendly, Simple ML for Sheets also offers advanced options for those who want more control. In the advanced bar, you can delve deeper, train and test your own machine learning models. But for this demo, let's focus on the user-friendly prediction of missing data. Okay, to predict missing values, click on Predict Missing Values in the sidebar. Now select the specific column in your dataset that contains the missing information. In our water quality data, let's choose the dissolved oxygen column, where we might have some missing values. Simple ML for Sheets offers different prediction methods like random forest, decision tree, and gradient boosted trees. If you don't know about them, so don't worry. You don't need to be a machine learning expert to choose one. These methods are pre-built into the tool. For now, let's stick with the default selection. Click on Predict and voila! Simple ML for Sheets analyzes your data and fills in the missing values in the chosen column with predicted values. It will add a new column with these predictions, as you can see here. Remember, Simple ML for Sheets can do much more than predicting missing values. We can use it to identify unusual data points that might require further investigation, or even forecast future water quality trends based on historical data. As you explore Simple ML for Sheets more, you'll discover its vast potential for unlocking valuable insights from your data in Google Sheets, all without needing any coding experience. Thank you for joining me today in this exploration of Simple ML for Sheets. I hope you found this video informative and that you're excited to try out this amazing tool for yourself. feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions about Simple ML for Sheets, and I'll do my best to answer them. Happy data analysis!